trending news. I so much blame myself for an APC loss in Edo State election, President Muhammadu Buhari declared. He further said that it was the decision of contestants in elections with stupendous money to spray if they so desired, but warned that nobody should raise a counter-force to the armed thugs who would be under the influence of drugs to humiliate people. This is as the governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, has ruled out the possibility of him returning to the APC, saying that it would be immoral and lack of integrity to do so. Recall that Governor Obaseki, who was disqualified by the APC to contest the party's primary, decamped to the PDP and was declared winner of the September 19th election by the Independent National Electoral Commission. Speaking when the governor led his deputy, Comrade Philip Shaibu, and other party supporters to the State House on a thank-you visit to him, the president said that he would want Nigerians to appreciate that he respects them as Nigerians and was bound by the oath he took that their secret and security was in the hands of God and in the hands of the government he is leading. According to him, I thank you for bringing your deputy, Shaibu, and supporters to come and see me after beating my party. I am supposed to preside over all Nigerians' interests, whether I like it or not, but my single desire is to make sure that innocent people don't suffer. That message I got across to the Inspector General of Police that elections must be free and fair. If contestants have too much money and they decide to spray, so be it. But what I insist is nobody should go and raise a counter force to the government, armed heavily drugs to thugs to go and emulate people. He told his guests that I want Nigerians to appreciate that I respect them as Nigerians and that I am bound by the oaths I have made with them. President Muhammadu Buhari noted that as a leader of the governing party, and despite the fact that the party has lost some states in elections, he wishes to leave behind a political culture based on integrity. He said, "We have lost states across the country. Now, I do not like to escape the responsibility, seeing as the leader of the country. I am also the leader of my party, that I am not leading the party very well. I am trying to make sure that the party is built on a civilized basis, rules of law and respect for human rights and human beings, right from polling units to local governments, to state up to Abuja, and that is what I have been insisting as my contribution to the National Working Committee and Executive of the party. I know that we are a developing country, a developing economy, and trying to develop our political culture. I want the development of political culture to be based on integrity and accountability. Let people work very hard and earn what they are looking for through their hard work and through fair competition." He added that he was congratulating Edo Governor respectively because he defeated the candidate of his party, the All Progressive Congress (APC). In his remarks, Governor Obaseki thanked President Muhammadu Buhari for assuring that fair play reigns during the election which saw his victorious. "You would recall a couple of weeks before the election, I came to see you and you assured me that we are going to have a free, peaceful and credible election." And that was what happened during the governorship election in Edo State. That is what we had during the election in 19th of September 2020, and the whole world has acclaimed that Edo election was perhaps one of the best conducted in recent times in Nigeria. This could not have been possible without your insistence that the right things to be done, and for that, we want to say thank you very much, our president. He also thanked President Muhammadu Buhari for his congratulatory message, assuring him that the message has been internalized. That is God that made this election possible. Therefore, I should be humble about the election and also magnanimous in victory. The pledge is unalloyed loyalty and support, and that of the people of Edo State to the president and the federal government. Speaking in an interview with State House correspondent, Governor Obaseki said that he will lose his integrity if he returns to the APC, and he adding that leaving the PDP for the APC goes against President Muhammadu Buhari's gospel of integrity. He said this morning, Friday, that we were privileged to meet with President Muhammadu Buhari essentially to express the gratitude of Edo people, myself and my deputy, Shaibu, for the role for the conduct of gubernatorial elections in Edo State. He insisted that Nigerians should have proper elections, credible elections, free and fair elections, and that is what happened. So this morning, we are here in the villa to show our profound gratitude and appreciation for this, which on the surface will look normal, but the implications are very far-reaching because this is a sitting president whose party was contesting an election and insisted that the right thing to be done and a level playing field be created for contestants. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. What we have to say concerning what you've heard about President Muhammadu Buhari accusing himself of being responsible for the loss of APC and saying that Governor Godwin Obaseki will never come back as will never come back to the APC party because he has won. PDP really accepted him and made him won the election. Why would he go back? He said can never go back to APC. APC that rejected him. APC that rejected him carrying the flag, that collected a ticket from him. Imagine, he can never allow anybody to deceive him to go back to APC after the betrayal. So PDP did not betray him; they accepted him, and he won the election as a PDP candidate. So nobody should force him to do what he doesn't want to do. So viewers, your take concerning this news is very much important. Please kindly drop every of your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive updates whenever I publish any new videos. Thank you.